I'll say sorry to the person.
सॉरी मैं आपके साथ शादी नहीं कर सकती. No, but I think बिच्छू और सांप से बेटर है ना तमन्ना भाटिया का.
Yes, that is true.
मैं खुश रह,
हमने
मेरे को और
PhD
कुछ
की
नहीं
है
चाहिए.
इस
You get
story
entertained,
का.
right?
प्लेट दूर कर लो ताकि हम
बात तक बात पहुंची हुई है.
हम बोलेंगे हम साइंस के साथ मेरा में मारेंगे
Alright, so as you can see, we are with the star cast of G Karda and they're very busy talking amongst each other कि क्या gossip है आज की.
नहीं मैं बता रहा था आज भाई प्रोडक्टिव है
भाई प्रोडक्टिव.
भाई प्रोडक्ट है और भाई प्रोडक्टिव है.
भाई प्रोडक्टिव है. Okay.
भाई सुबह 6 बजे उठा है
Do you also call any one of them भाई?
I don't think they would be very happy.
हम खुद को भाई बोलते हैं क्या आज पता भाई ने क्या किया
थर्ड पर्सन बात करते हैं भाई.
Imagine if Tamanna calls you भाई one day, what will happen?
तो हम बात ही नहीं करेंगे, हम रिस्पॉन्ड ही नहीं करेंगे.
Alright, तो सबसे पहले
Likely that they call me bhai.
why
And I call
you
them.
भाई?
It's like
It's
tag
like
vibe.
bhai wala vibe. I give like that
मतलब भाई
Don
is an
wala
emotion.
vibes.
भाई is an
Yeah,
emotion.
I
भाई
give
is an
it
emotion.
Don wala.
I don't think so anybody जो देख रहे होंगे वो ये इमोशन तमन्ना के लिए लाएंगे कि ये उनका भाई है, बट ठीक है. जी करदा की कास्ट ये कह रही है, तो मुझे सबसे पहले ये बताइए दैट आशिम एंड सोहेल, दिस क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट्स अबाउट 7 फ्रेंड्स, शादी, रिलेशनशिप एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. कभी आप दोनों का कटा है?
कितनी बार.
वुड यू लाइक टू एलैबोरेट?
यार मतलब मेरे साथ बचपन में ऐसा होता था कि मैं आई यूज्ड टू फॉल फॉर लाइक दिस वन गर्ल एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी ऑब्सेस्ड विद दैट गर्ल एंड वो मुझे कभी नहीं मिलती थी. तो ऐसे 2-3 बार ही हुआ है ऐसा मेरे साथ कि आई हैव जस्ट लाइक यू नो बीन इन्फैचुएटेड एंड आई वाज लाइक यार नहीं दिस इज द वन फॉर मी, दिस इज द वन फॉर मी. एंड आई वाज लाइक वन क्लास 9th 8th 9th and I used to just like love the idea of being in love.
Okay.
But that was and it never happened. Like they never कोई भाव नहीं मिलता था मुझे.
Okay.
But फिर of course मैं बड़ा हो गया और फिर life change हो गई.
Okay, moving on to the one who loves memes a lot. Sohail, you tell us.
मतलब ऐसे कटा नहीं है
हाँ.
पर
काटा है?
नहीं मतलब
It doesn't work out.
Yeah.
Like it might not work out as planned.
Yeah.
पर ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि और मतलब सोचा कुछ और हुआ कुछ और.
Okay.
मैं बहुत समझदार हूँ.
बहुत सोने मुंडे हैं दोनों.
आप बताइए, आपने काटा है?
नहीं.
कभी नहीं?
मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है काटने में. I'm too busy in life.
Okay. Too busy in life.
busy.
तो okay.
I'm too busy.
But Tammy also, I don't think she's the kind.
No,
like
I can't.
she's too sweet. Yeah.
I'll say sorry to the person.
Sorry मैं आपके साथ शादी नहीं कर सकती.
Sorry. Actually. Just apologizing in case you felt bad.
Okay, great. So now since this is all about friends and relationships and all, do you believe that two friends can actually get into a relationship and make it successful?
Oh yeah, I think it's actually a very the essence of any relationship has to be friendship. And when I say friendship, I don't just mean two friends which are platonic, but I mean that you have to give each other freedom in the relationship. It can't be ownership. And essentially हमारा idea of relationships हमेशा ownership के ऊपर है, क्योंकि हमारी जो भी whatever literature हमने पढ़ा है या जो भी हमने फिल्मों में देखा है या हमने जो भी आर्ट फॉर्म्स बताते हैं, सब बताते हैं कि प्यार ओनरशिप होता है. बट एक्चुअली प्यार ओनरशिप नहीं होता, वो एक दोस्ती का एक्सटेंशन होता है जो which is in a man woman case becomes it becomes attraction, it becomes a lot many more things. It becomes companionship. So yeah, friendship's a great base actually.
So do you think marrying your friend is a good idea or a bad idea?
यार it is an idea.
Idea है.
I'll think about it. क्योंकि मतलब it will be a very good relationship because you are aware of the person, you are aware of their emotional cues and social cues, so it can be a very cordial relationship. प्यार कितना होगा वो नहीं पता.
Okay.
तो वो तो करके ही पता चलेगा.
तो अभी तक नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं, दोस्त के साथ तो कभी नहीं हुआ.
Okay. आपको आशिम दोस्त के साथ प्यार हुआ है कभी?
नहीं, but लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है that what she said is absolutely right. Like I think the foundation is the key, the operating word here. When you are friends with another person and it happens to be somebody you fall in love with, I feel that it could be the most beautiful feeling because, like he said as well, you just know them so well, right? But I think sometimes I feel that could come at a cost because कभी क्या होता है ना कि दोस्ती इतनी गहरी होती है, you don't want to compromise on the friendship because of whatever unforeseen reasons that your relationship could not work out, क्योंकि ऐसा भी होता है कि अगर रिलेशनशिप में चले गए और दोस्ती खराब हो गई तो फिर you've lost both
Yeah,
ways.
Yeah.
So
It's a
so it's a
gamble.
catch-22.
It's a gamble,
Yeah,
actually.
it's a gamble. It's a gamble. But like अगर प्यार सच्चा है और honest है तो I think it could be the most beautiful thing in the world.
All right, then all of us I think agree with the fact that जो करण जौहर कह गए थे प्यार दोस्ती हो सकता है पर जरूरी नहीं है सबके लिए हो. Now there is a big fat wedding in the show जो बहुत ही important है. कहीं हाथ टूट रहा है कहीं कुछ हो रहा है wedding क्या successful हो रही है मुझे पूरा तो obviously नहीं समझ में आया. Wedding से मुझे याद है have you ever crashed a wedding?
Oh yeah, I have actually.
Like
I actually ended up, I was coming in from the airport and I was meeting some friends and it was my some friend's wedding and I just wanted to hang because I had had a long day at work and I was just like, Abhi kya
As
kरेंगे?
always.
And I love this about Mumbai. I think this wedding was in Mumbai and I think I could do this only because it was in Mumbai. Had it been any other city, I don't think I would have done it because यहाँ पर ना सब बहुत chill होते हैं and people actually and they like they well of course they not I mean, they welcomed me and they were like oh you know come hang with us chill with us ये पूरा जो casual vibe रहता है ना I think ये city की एक खूबी है that people are very welcoming people don't really judge you at what time you're coming or from where are you coming I wasn't even dressed I was dressed in airport
Also,
clothes.
let me just break this. I think who would not want Tammy to come to the
Exactly.
wedding? मतलब yeah, she's just being nice
मैं
about
मैं
it.
उसी पे आ रहा था कि ये अगर तमन्ना भाटिया कह रहे तो
They're
भाई
like,
सब
अरे
लोग- अरे आइए आइए
come on, chill with us.
आप दोनों के साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप दोनों ने वेडिंग क्रैश की हो?
नहीं मैंने नहीं की.
यार मैं दिल्ली से हूँ तो दिल्ली में क्या है ना कि हम लोग हर जगह पहुंच जाते हैं और मतलब कोई दिवाली पार्टी हो कोई वेडिंग हो कोई किसी का बर्थडे हो तो अगर कोई ना कोई जानता है तो यू आर जस्ट लाइक एज अ प्लस वन यूर ऑलवेज तो मैं आई एम
नहीं, पर ऐसे क्रैश जहाँ पे कोई नहीं जानता.
नहीं ऐसा क्रैश नहीं
क्योंकि
किया।
दिल्ली में मार पड़ जाएगी.
और लड़कों को तो पड़ी सकती
Is it
नहीं आपको नहीं पड़ेगी
नहीं I'm
आपको
just curious लड़कों को पढ़
वो ऐसे पूछेंगे किसकी साइड से हो हम बोलेंगे हम साइंस के साइड से फिर हमें मारेंगे.
साइंस की साइड
साइंस की
से
तरफ से.
नाउ तमन्ना हैव यू एवर हैड अ फ्रेंड जो हमेशा यू नो रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप्स में घुसती हो और डेटिंग अ टॉक्सिक पर्सन एंड यू नो कितना भी आप समझा लो वहीं वहीं जाती है बार-बार व्हाट इज दैट एडवाइस दैट यू लाइक टू गिव
आई थिंक हमारी जनरेशन के ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इस चीज़ से गुजरते हैं आई थिंक हम सबका एक पैटर्न होता है एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट पीपल येस आई हैव नॉट अ फ्रेंड बट आई हैव मेनी सच फ्रेंड्स एंड पीपल आई नो जो वापस वही किस्म के रिलेशनशिप में अटक जाता है क्योंकि एक्चुअली रिलेशनशिप में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम उनमें होता है कि उनको दे रादर बी इन दैट टॉक्सिक एनवायरनमेंट देन आई डोंट नो खुशी किस किस्म की आई मीन उनको किस किस्म का एक्साइटमेंट या कुछ तो मिलता है विच कीप्स देम इन दैट टॉक्सिक स्टेट बट इट्स वेरी कॉमन एंड आई थिंक हम सब किसी ना किसी लेवल पे उस दौर से गुजरे हैं बट आई थिंक वो लेवल वेरी करता है कोई बिल्कुल भी नहीं सीखते कोई ठोकर खा के सीखते हैं कोई इमीडिएटली सीख जाता है
ओके ये दोनों का कुछ यू नो मोमेंट हुआ था अभी जब हम ये सवाल करते तो यू डिस्कस्ड अबाउट दिस
नहीं मैं इसकी रिंग देख रहा था काफी बेहतरीन है
No, I mean, men just have non-verbal cues, just like bro code.
Yeah.
It's like
So
a-
it just works like that.
like a
It's just
man-
like your entire, you know.
सो डिड दे लीव यू आउट जब शूट चल रहा था कि भाई इन दोनों के चल रहे थे अपनी बातचीत और आपको नहीं बता रहे थे
Not really. I think we were really, we were all really good. Yeah.
set that I've
Yeah.
ever been on.
Like,
Yeah?
seriously,
I'm not
I
joking.
second that.
Yeah.
We had a ball and
कि इतना मजा लाइफ में किसी
किसी
सेट
सेट
पे
में
नहीं
नहीं
आया.
आया और ये पता है हमें खराब कर दिया सेट ने क्योंकि मैं सोच रहा था कि हर सेट ऐसा ही होगा और मैं कहीं और किसी और सेट पे था और बिल्कुल वैसा नहीं था
कौन सा सेट
क्यों बताऊं
तो वो नहीं
तो
बता
यार मतलब बहुत मजा आया लाइक आई सीरियसली लाइक इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग्स दैट यू लाइक व्हेन यू मीट पीपल दैट आर लाइक माइंडेड and fortunately we were all cooped up in one hotel for like 10 days and I think that set the foundation of the show
Okay.
really well so yeah very grateful for that
अच्छा मुझे आपसे तीनों से ये जानना है कि व्हाट आर द सिमिलरिटीज बिटवीन यू एंड योर कैरेक्टर
I think the only similarity that I feel is she's really high achieving and she's very focused on her work. She's very driven, and that she's a little bit obsessive about perfection. But I guess eventually she realizes better.
Okay.
I've already realized it, but I think my character needed a show to realize it.
What about you, Sohail?
तो एक चीज़ है like I relate to the fact that my character is a very positive person. कि कुछ भी हो रहा हो, कितनी भी भसड़ हो, उसको होता है यार एंड में हो जाएगा मैनेज, like we'll do it. And secondly, like my character gives a lot of chances in the relationship, in the sense like he listens, he understands, and you know is very tolerant in terms of dealing with a partner. So I think I relate to that quality.
Okay.
No, his character thinks he understands.
Yeah.
From my character's perspective, he doesn't understand.
नहीं वो तो
But from his character's perspective, he understands.
लड़ाइयाँ तो ऐसे ही होती हैं
I'm
ना.
just supporting my character.
लड़ाइयाँ तो ऐसे ही होती हैं ना कि मैंने बोला उन्होंने
That's why I
नहीं
love them both. यार मतलब ये बस लड़ते रहे, खुश रहे,
हमने
मेरे को और
PhD
कुछ
की
नहीं
है
चाहिए.
इस
You get
story का.
entertained.
प्लेट दूर कर लो ताकि हम
बात तक बात पहुंची हुई है.
We've really aced how to fight.
Yeah,
It's a special talent now. We can fight at Q.
Okay.
ये देखो आपको
Action.
बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी शुरू में.
What about you? What are the similarities between you and your character?
यार my character is like a हवा का झोंका.
अच्छा.
I feel like I'm also like a I've done you know when I come when I enter it's like it's a fresh air.
Yeah.
And that's
Sameer.
what
But in real life also आप pool में ऐसे घूमते हैं?
मैं खोया रहता हूँ, फिर मैं मिल जाता हूँ. एजीओजी का भी ऐसा ही है कि वो आता है, फिर वो खो जाता है, फिर वो आता है. So it's like he's very but the one thing is that when he comes he there's a lot of love that he has for his friends. There's a sense of ownership that he feels that they are mine, and that is very special, and I can relate that with my own friends as well. When it comes to, there's one thing, I don't keep in touch that much with my friends mostly, and I think here also when I'm away I'm just like lost. So that's something that's similar between my character and myself.
Since you said that आप तीनों एक ही होटल में थे काफी समय तक and you had a lot of fun, please tell us one useless and one unique talent about each other.
चल यार तमन्ना के
तो
बारे
मैं-
में तू बोल
I'm so bad with these.
आशिम का मैं पहले बता देता हूँ
Wow, okay.
कि आशिम का यूनिक टैलेंट है वो लाइक ही कैन ब्रेक इनटू अ सॉन्ग, एनी सॉन्ग इन द सिंगर्स वॉइस, एंड लाइक अगर वो रैप है तो उसी तरीके का, और रैंडमली कहीं भी शुरू हो सकता है वो, लाइक कहीं भी ऐसे कि एकदम से चालू हो जाएगा. और यूजलेस टैलेंट है, इसको इंजरी होती रहती है, इसको जहाँ डांस करना होता है वहाँ ही अपना कुछ तोड़वा देगा.
Okay, and Tamanna?
I think they know me well enough now to tell. Honestly, I don't know.
मैं बोलता हूँ तमन्ना के बारे में. तमन्ना का यूनिक टैलेंट ये है कि वो इतनी बड़ी स्टार है और पता भी नहीं चलने देती. ठीक है, मतलब it's an art.
Yeah.
It's like पता भी नहीं चलने देती, मतलब it's not that she tries to do anything. That's what I'm trying to say. She will. It's just like she's got this inherent. I don't know. It's an like she just makes you feel very comfortable. Like it's where she meets us like on the same page, no matter where we come, we're not as, you know, but she just like makes you feel so comfortable and at home, and it never felt like whenever working with her also, it never felt like you know.
Yeah,
she's
such
Tamanna
a-
Bhatia.
I think we all met as actors and as people, and the good part was हमारे ग्रुप में कोई भी कमीना नहीं निकला.
But that's very refreshing, ना?
सब अच्छे लोग थे,
अच्छे
which
लोग.
is the rarity, and it's true. Like what Ashim said was that we all got along was not something, you know. I mean, I know, I'm sure I've seen enough actors talking in promotions ki, like they love each other and that they're like
we
the
actually
best
love each
bond.
other.
But actually, I know that we still hang apart from work, and I know that we will continue hanging. I hope there's a season 2, but even if there isn't that, I think this bond would always be there because we actually are fond of each other through this entire process.
No,
But
I think Amazon has taken a cue already. He actors बड़े अच्छे हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ season 2 भी बनाओ. Alright, now I want to know from you, since you know we were talking, he was talking about Tamanna, you being such a huge star. I want to know the craziest fan experience that you've ever had.
You know, I'm not very. I don't like talking about it because I feel like it's not. I don't want to encourage it because I don't like it.
It's not a pleasant one.
It's not a pleasant one for the person. Like, you know, I have seen people like take a autograph and take that autograph and tattoo it on their body. And there's a fan who has my face on his back. And these things, I just feel like it's just, why would you do this to yourself? I know you love me. I know you love my work. I know, you know, I mean, the love that I have for my fans is a genuine love, but I just wish they didn't put it on themselves in such a physical way.
No, but I think बिच्छू और सांप से better है ना तमन्ना भाटिया का.
Yes, that is true. Definitely more aesthetic.
Yeah.
ये तो है.
What about you? What is your crazy fan experience?
अभी तो जो भी है वो क्रेजी लगता नहीं मुझे.
अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Okay.
अच्छा ही लगता है.
और bring it on. He's not happy. आपका?
या मैंने रिसेंटली एक मैसेज पढ़ा था अभी 2 दिन पहले. इट सेड कि शाह स्पोक अबाउट माय प्रीवियस कैरेक्टर दैट आई प्लेड. इट्स लाइक शाह सलीम आप अब हमारे सपनों में भी आने लग गए, प्लीज थोड़ा रेगुलरली आया करें.
क्या बात
तो बड़ा वेरी स्वीट है, वेरी स्वीट.
But listen, I am sure that like especially his previous show has, you know, already got him so much female fan following. I don't know what this show is going to do.
I
He's
hope
going
that
to
it does
be
well.
he's going to really have a very hard time.
Okay, nice. Which brings me to my next question. That you know there are so many shows coming in these days. What sets G Karda apart from it?
Good question. The thing is, I feel like in this current environment, there are enough serious, dark shows which need a lot of mental, emotional, you know, energy to kind of, you have to be invested to like really like process it even. Our show has that emotional quotient, but in a much more like, it's a much more pleasant show. It's like a breather in all this present environment, and I think it's a more positive show, if I can say that. I also feel like it's showing relationships in a very real fashion.
Yeah.
I think urban Mumbai or urban city life, if one has to translate it and make a show out of it and just put like relationships and equations which are very real, I think you, I, Ashim, Sohail, we all, when we watch the show, we will feel like हम या तो किसी बंदे को जानते हैं जो इस शो में है, या कोई इसके जैसा है, या हम इसके जैसे हैं. ये फीलिंग 100% सबको
Very relatable.
Very relatable.
Okay, what about you, Sohail?
Yeah, contemporary people, contemporary problems, good-looking people doing good acting, and we are shirtless. So, good reasons.
That too.
Okay.
That too.
What about you?
If I had to sum it up, I feel it's I think the way Arunima, Abbas Bhai and Hussain has written the show, it's very, they've humanized it very beautifully, and I feel like everybody is embracing the imperfections so nicely that is what makes it so relatable. Yeah. Like when all the friends, whatever they're going through, I mean, it's so real that, like she said, like when you watch it, you'll be like, each character will have a character at home who'll look at it and be like, yaar, this has happened with me, or this is happening with me, or this could happen with me. Like, you know, it's just one of those things where you feel like, yaar, ये सारी चीजें होती हैं, लोग शायद देख के थोड़े uncomfortable भी होए, किसी को लगे कि यार ये मैं हूँ, but it'll give them a little bit of a reality check, which sometimes they would refrain from talking about. But on another lighter note, I think it's just it's got such beautiful music, and the music is synonymous to our lives, which is so beautifully intertwined. And I think इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं बोलूँगा because मैं बहुत close हूँ यार इस show से.
I feel the music is an interesting aspect, like what Ashim said, because shows normally don't have music that has playback.
Correct.
Qualities. Yeah. It's a very feature film thing to have.
Yeah.
And I think it's probably a very new element which the show has come up with, is to have actual singles in in a show format.
Original soundtracks.
Yeah, original soundtracks, which is not common.
Not common,
even
not
internationally.
common.
I don't think they have that idea.
Yeah.
So I think maybe we're one of the first few who've done this. So I feel like it's. I'm excited to even say, and I think people have responded really well to the music. And it's really kind of doing well, which is interesting because the show hasn't even come out yet.
Yes.
I think most soundtracks, like I think I remember there are a few shows whose soundtracks very like vivid in my head. So I feel like music has that power. If it's good, it really has that power to influence people in terms of what shows they would which shows they would remember.
Well, being a radio station, that is definitely a happy thought for us. Okay, there's a saying that अगर आप किसी के साथ 7 साल तक दोस्त बने रहते हो, then they become a part of your family. They become like आपकी लाइफ में हमेशा रहते हैं. Do you have any friend like that while you were shooting for the show and all, took you back to their memories or something like that?
For me, yeah, actually so I think the girl gang that's there in the show is very similar to the girl gang that I actually have. And I have friends from school, so like the same equation like the show. There are 2 friends who are from my school life, who I'm still in touch with. So I know them from the 5th grade, and now I'm 30 and I'm still in touch with them, and we are still as close, and they're still my girl group. And I think the equation that you have with your school friends, they know a certain side of you which nobody else knows. I don't know, even like your entire demeanor changes when you're with your school friends, if you've known them for that long. It's just that you again become a child. I don't know, you again become that. It's like as if all those memories become alive, and I think I feel like that's one massive recall for me while I was doing the show.
Okay, first this same question for both of you. That
100%. मतलब मेरा तो है like my best, like it's been 26 years of best friendship with 2 of my best friends.
Wow.
So when you'll watch the show, the way I talk to Ashim, like we're all best friends, like 7 of us, but we share a very special bond.
Yeah.
So we talk very differently.
Yeah.
It's like our lingo is very different whenever we talk. So that I've derived from my personal experience with my friends.
Okay. What about you?
यार अभी इसके केस में like he said 26 years, similar for me, not 26 but like say 15-20 years. I feel like मैं अपने बहुत लोग अपने दोस्तों को अपने साथ ही रखता हूँ. Like you ऐसा होता है ना, आपने इतना वक्त गुजारा है एक दूसरे के साथ, so somewhere we might be in different cities or countries, but we have our friends in us. We have a little part of everyone in us, and we carry that with us wherever we go, right? An interesting fact is my best friend's name is Rishabh.
Okay.
And his character's name is Rishabh. And
Really?
yes.
That's
so,
nice, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't think I've told you this before.
Mention this.
Yeah. So यार वो रहते हैं हमारे साथ, मतलब आप जहाँ कहीं भी चले जाओ, वो it's like because you spend so much time ना, there are parts of them that are there whether you in your subconscious.
Yeah.
So and when it's a show about friendship, whether you like it or not, it comes naturally, and you realize, and it's sometimes it's not even like you're not even conscious of it. It'll come in a way like when you're shooting a scene, and suddenly you'll say something and you'll realize, oh shit, this is how we talk.
Correct.
This is how Rishabh and I converse.
Correct.
So it's there, and it's beautiful that we're making a show about friends, and I happen to meet this guy, and
Actually, I'm also very happy that we are making a show जिसकी essential अगर आपको बोलें कि substance जो है या जो main चीज़ है वो friendship है, because all of us are only having success in friendships, not normal relationships, and this is something very nice. एक लड़का और एक लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते, ऐसा हमारी हिंदी फिल्मों ने हमें सिखाया. Do you believe in it?
No, of course, a guy and a girl can be friends.
But have you asked the guy that he just wants to be friends, or he wants to be like ये friend zone कर दिया हो तो?
I don't know. No, I don't. But like, too bad.
Too bad. Okay, do you believe
Better luck next
do you
time.
believe a guy and a girl can be just friends?
100%. Like all my close friends are female friends. Like I have in my closer circuit, there will be like 3 guys, but all females, and like I owe everything to the females in my life, like to the women in my life, because if you have a female best friend, you will be very much in sync with your feminine side.
Yeah.
You will be very much in sync with the way you understand emotion. So I
Correct.
think like everyone should have a female best friend.
Yeah.
मतलब ये तो क्वेश्चन ही नहीं होना चाहिए कि लड़का लड़की दोस्त हो सकते हैं, नहीं होने ही चाहिए.
होने ही चाहिए. Okay.
And it's a big green flag.
Big green flag. I like that. Okay, Ashim, what about you?
100%, I second that. I mean, I have a lot of female friends as well, and they just like I'm very I think you are. I mean, your masculinity and your feminine side, you're equal parts, but sometimes you forget that this is also a side of you that needs to be in check, and I think the women in your life make sure
Definitely.
that happens. And yeah, I mean, there is. I think that whole concept is only flawed. That ये पिक्चरों में होता है या पिक्चरों में बताया जाता है.
I think a lot of ideas that we've had, maybe like millennials have had around relationships and friendships is a little bit not, I don't say just cinema, but any kind of art form derived. Because I think largely that idea was sold to us that there were certain typicalities that were sold to us, and literally we had to grow up and go into those traps of those typicalities to realize कि actually वो था नहीं.
Correct.
You know, so I think the Gen Zs and the Alpha something.
Gen Alpha
is going to not have these problems.
Gen
Gen Alpha.
Alpha.
Yeah, they are better off.
हाँ, मुझे
They're
पता है.
watching these shows
Which
and
is what I want to ask you before we end this, and correct me if I'm wrong, that when I was watching the trailer of this show, I thought that it is very real, it is very जो आज हो रहा है, जैसे relationships हो रही हैं, there are some situationships, there are some relationships, people are confused, situationships,
ये भी एक नया word है.
a Gen Z word.
lots of ships.
Yeah, lots of ships. So, do you think that this show is focusing on relationships in a more real way as compared to what it has been shown to us via films? कि लड़की की नाम है, हाँ होती है, या एक लड़का
बहुत बड़ी फिल्म बनी थी, award winning.
Pink, yeah.
वो तो different
So,
film.
coming back to this show, do you think this show is portraying relationships in a more true way?
Yes, of course. I mean, the idea. Also, I think the entire long format gives you the opportunity of presenting things in a more realistic way. I think this entire platform and this entire space is actually largely dedicated to slightly more realistic portrayal of things, and we as actors also get a chance to do things in that way. And this show for sure is going to give you a very warm, real feeling of a reflection into your own lives through the characters that we are playing.
Nice. What about
I totally second everything that she has said. और ट्रेलर में तो हमने आधी चीजें दिखाई नहीं ना अभी.
कौन सी वाली चीजें जो
जिनकी हम बात कर रहे
क्यों
हैं.
बताएं?
Actually, I think the
आप
trailer
देखो
is
तो
showing
सही.
you what you probably already are, like the wedding environment.
Yeah.
These are things that are obvious.
Yeah.
But that's what's being showcased. The nitty-gritties of the show is still
it's
obvious.
about
क्योंकि जो हम बातें कर रहे हैं अभी तो वो आपके लिए एलियन ही है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
अरे मतलब क्या, हाँ मतलब क्या रियल है, पर क्या मतलब शादी तो हो रही है.
yeah.
It's the in-betweeners.
It's the in-between that's interesting.
Well, I'm very happy that now we have a show which is talking about the in-betweens, and before we end this interview, I just would like you to urge your fans to watch the show when it is coming out. How can they stream it and all that information?
Hi, I am Tamanna. Please watch our show Ji Karda on Prime Video. It's coming on the 15th of June. It's super special for us. We've had a lot of fun being a part of the show. So please catch it, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
हमारा भी सेम.
Copy, ditto.
Alright, thank you so much guys for coming to Mirchi Plus and bringing a show which is a very, very refreshing show.
Hi, I'm Tamanna Bhatia, and you're watching me on Mirchi Plus.
Hi, I am Suhail Nayyar and you're watching me on Mirchi Plus.
Hi, this is Ashim Gulati and you are watching me on Mirchi Plus.